to be van life first timers taking on one crazy Australian adventure of a lifetime. In 31 days, we aim to drive over 9,000 kilometres through 2 territories and 4 states with multiple stops and bucket list experiences that we are beyond excited to tick off. Although we maybe should have checked those fuel prices sooner. We can't wait to explore Australia's incredible and diverse landscape, from the amazing surf in Byron Bay to magical mornings in Cape Hillsborough to the best sunsets of our lives in the Red Centre, and all of it whilst taking you along with us. We hope you're ready, so fasten your seatbelts, keep those phones on silent and get ready to fall in love with van life throughout Australia just like we did. Well, most of the time anyway.
Would you like a van tour? Let's get started. We have our main area, our one and only area, but guys, we have actually been quite resourceful. We have a laundry bag right at the side, helpful, chuck your dirty stuff in, nice. We have a bin bag on the back of my seat, lovely. Clothes are hung up there as well because we're too lazy to put them away back into the storage, which is underneath this little bed. But this is like the nighttime setup, but to be honest you guys, we haven't really changed it much into the day setup because we don't really need to, and also it's quite a lot of work. But this is where we sleep. We have a nice comfy bed. We have a little whiteboard here we can write down all our ideas.
All of our bucket list is going to go up there.
Yeah! We have a little curtain here as well.
There we go, so
see you later.
we got some privacy going here. There we go.
Lovely.
All the storage is literally under here.
It is indeed.
So you got here, you got one bit back there, so there's plenty, and these are deep. Look at that. That's all our clothes and stuff. Toilet paper, don't go anywhere without. You got tables here. You got bits that go down there, but yeah, so you got your tables and your chairs and your bags and everything go here. There's more storage here. There's one that side as well.
Ta-da!
And this is our bed.
Then we have the bed. So super comfortable actually, very nice, and if there's a nice breeze coming through, it goes from the back. We also have in these like side pockets, we have little like pouches, and basically we've just put loads of like little handy stuff in, like we have a fan.
Yeah, that's been really handy. It's like
costume,
in these pockets you put in
bag.
stuff that's like handy.
Yeah, stuff that you need to like grab like quickly,
quick access to
or
it.
yeah, you don't want to put like underneath because then you've got to like take the cushions off, take it out, do all of that, so it's nice and quick and handy.
Yeah, like you've got your toothpaste, toothbrush, you've got your deodorant and all of that stuff, you've got your fans and everything else, you've got your lights here, LED lights, you've got a night light as well,
which is
that's pretty cool,
pretty sick. So we've got that. Shall I show you to the kitchen?
Kitchen is round the back. We're right now at Lake Proserpine. This place is gorgeous though. Here's what the kitchen setup looks like.
Welcome to our kitchen, you guys. This is where all the magic happens. This is where I'm in my element.
Oh, you know.
Love, joke, I don't cook. But we have an ice box, 25 litres, so we obviously just grab some ice as and when we need it, and then we fill it all up in there.
This has actually been really good. Like the ice lasted what, 2 days?
The ice lasted 2 days, you guys, and I actually think I prefer it because with a fridge you need to make sure that you're plugged in a lot more often, which means that you need to make sure you're at a powered site, and we've stayed at a mixture so far of unpowered and powered, and powered is nice because you get your fan all night, but if it's a cool breeze and stuff, then you don't have to worry about, oh, we need to set a powered site because you have to plug your fridge in so your food doesn't go bad. So we have the ice box. Sick. We have a gas stove. Lovely. We're about to actually do some brunch. We're going to have some eggs and toast. So that's exciting.
It's also good that it comes with its own sink and everything, so you can do all your washing up here.
Water tank. So I think you've only got like 20 litres or something like that. Or maybe it's actually a little bit more than 20 litres.
I don't know, but it's been alright so far though. Like, as long as you're not doing your flipping main washing down, you're like your clothes and stuff, you're right.
You don't want to be doing that. But yeah, you've got your little sink there, which is nice. Then you've got at the back like all of these little like storage bits.
Again,
for your food.
There's plenty of space though, isn't it?
Yeah, your pots and pans. We've got cutlery.
Look at that.
We've got mugs, tea and coffee.
All of that bit there.
We actually have a kettle as well. So
this is the bread bin, I'd say. It's got all of the bread rolls. You've got the peanut butter and everything. You've got some more bits in there. You've got some ready-made Daisy meals in there.
Yummy.
You've got some bread, pots and pans. So it's pretty good. Like, it comes all kitted out though, isn't it?
It's not bad at all, actually. I feel like it's pretty comfy. It's the perfect size for 2 people. I wouldn't want to squeeze anyone else in. But yeah, I'm enjoying it, you guys. Van life so far has treated us really, really nice. We're here at this beautiful lake. Like, what a nice campsite to stay at. Like, dreamy.
This is one of the best campsites though.
It is so nice.
Picturesque.
This is definitely like one of the nicest campsites that we've
Hands
stayed
down.
at. Like
Beautiful.
the view's perfect. It's just so nice.
Yeah, we are very happy, you guys, and all we paid is just $10 for this. So I personally think that that's a steal, but for now,
Wow, you guys, this place is absolutely beautiful, and it's been super quiet and chilled for a Saturday. We're so surprised, but this lake is stunning. Look at this, and we even have a mountain. I believe that this one in the corner is Mount Pluto, and it's just so beautiful. You've obviously got the campsite here. You've got like other people, they can settle their stuff up here, but for now we have this beautiful stunning lake. People have got their boats out, they've got some jet skis. We were actually gonna do some kayaking or maybe even some paddleboarding, but it's just so hot today, you guys, and we just thought that we would just relax, chill out. This is one of our only very quiet days. So with that being said, that is pretty much all we've done. We've just chilled out, enjoyed, relaxed. We're gonna chuck our stuff back in the van now and head on to the next spot. We are going slightly further north into more of Queensland's coastline. Let's go. Well, you guys, we have officially arrived in Airlie Beach, and oh my god, isn't this place stunning?
This is gorgeous.
This is impressive, you guys. We are further north in Queensland, so we've headed up and up and up. We're in the Whitsundays area, and this place is impressive. We're just literally driving past the port now. It's a huge like marina town almost, and basically like the gateway for the Whitsunday Islands, and so many bars, restaurants, coffee spots. There's loads of retail. I mean, it is like the morning right now, so I think it is slightly quieter, but wow, I cannot tell you.
This is also the gateway to the Great Barrier Reef.
Oh, it is indeed.
Oh, look at this.
I
Buzzing.
forgot to mention that. Look how busy this one is. Wow. There's lots of like cafes, and there's definitely a cafe culture here. Oh, we've even got a McDonald's over here. Wow. This is like a little high street. I love it. Lots of clothes shops as well, so you can come and get any clothes, like any like beach dresses.
You get proper beach vibes down here, though, don't you? Like the clubs, the cafes, the coffee shops. It's very beachy, isn't it?
It is really nice. There's so many palm trees as well. Look at this. We've got Magnum's Beach. Ooh. I think that we're a little bit obsessed with Airlie Beach already. Oh look, there's even a nightclub here. Boom nightclub. Wowza.
Hot hey.
I think that actually we're going to go and find somewhere to go and grab a drink, maybe an iced coffee or an iced tea or something, and then we're going to head over to the beach. So I think, oh look at that, wow, that is so stunning. Sorry, I get excited every time I see it because wow. But you guys, we're going to go find somewhere to grab a drink, then head to the beach. Come with us, let's go. So you guys, we made it to Boathaven Beach here in Airlie Beach, and we set up, as you can see behind us, our sunshade because it's hot. It's another hot one, and like we said before, there's not many like trees along like the beaches and stuff, so you don't get much shade. So if you're coming to the beach in Australia, then we recommend definitely get yourself a sunshade because it has saved us today a lot, and on other occasions as well. But we made it down to Boathaven Beach, which is one of like, I think it's actually one of the only beaches here in Airlie Beach, and chilling on the beach right now. This beach is stunning, and you can see right here as well, we've got like the big net. So it's stinger season right now for jellyfish, so they've got this out so you can go and swim on the beach and not worry about the jellyfish.
Yeah, not just the jellyfish, could be sharks as well, who knows.
Or that.
it is that time to go and dip my feet back in the water because it is super hot, you guys. We have been sunbathing for a while, but for now I'm gonna go back, go get in the water. But look at this, you guys. These beaches are so nice and the sand is like so soft. I was gonna say so sandy, but you can get like a nicer beach with a nicer backdrop. And like we said to you earlier, they've got all of these like nets in the water. Don't have to like worry about like jellyfish and stuff, but the water is so clear. Look at the sand. Oh, bliss. Guys, this is so nice. This is a super nice beach. Like, there's so many people here. Everybody's just like chilling out, enjoying themselves. So I think, you guys, we're gonna go get in this water. Let's go.
All right, we just got back after a nice little dip, but
Yes,
I reckon
we
it's been a
did.
sweet day. We've really had fun. Australia's been sick. Australia,
Shreya,
sick.
mate, you've been impressive. We love your beaches. We love everything about you. It is impressive. It's a beautiful country, incredible weather. So incredible that we've been so burnt, but we could not ask
But
for
that
better
still didn't
days.
stop us from coming to the beach. But
No,
anyway,
of course not.
long story short, been a lot of fun, heaps of fun.
Ooh.
But we're gonna call it a day today.
Today we are. So we're going to finish up the vlog here, you guys. If you've enjoyed it, you guys know the drill. If you want to follow along on more Australia journeys, then you are going to want to stay tuned for the next one. And we will see you in that.
Subscribe.